Hi guys, you're welcome to Allogenious Ideas. In this tutorial, we are going to be talking about the precedence of arithmetic operators. Okay, we are going to be talking about how the order in which the operations are carried out in an expression. You can have an expression where you have multiple arithmetic operators. So we are going to be talking about the order in which the computer will execute these operators if it encounters multiple arithmetic operators in the same Python statement. So the first operator that it will take care of is the parenthesis. Okay, the parentheses have the highest precedence, and expressions within parentheses are evaluated first before every other expression. This is what I mean. So parenthesis. So for the parentheses, you can have something like result equal to can have something like result equal to, then let's bring in our parentheses, 3 plus 4, then multiplied by 2. Okay, print results. So if I should run this, let me clear my terminal from the previous tutorial. So if I should run this, you see that I'm having 14 over here. Now 3 plus 4 is what? 3 plus 4 is what? It's 7. 7 multiplied by 2 is what? 14. Okay, it's 14. So that is it basically. Let me do something like plus plus maybe 3. Okay, let me run this again. You see that I'm getting 17. What if I evaluate this one first? 2 plus 3 is what? 5. 3 plus 4 is 7. 5 times 7 is what? 35. Okay, but if I run this, Python is giving me 17. The reason is because it will not execute this one first. It will go for the parenthesis first. Anything in the parenthesis, it will sort it out. Then after sorting it out, it will go for the multiplication, which is the next ranking operator in the statement. Then after going um, for this operator over here, it will go for the addition, which is the least on the order of execution. So that is the reason why I'm having 17 over here. 3 plus 4 is what? 7 multiplied by 2. It will be giving me 14 plus 3, which is 17. The next one is exponentiation. Okay, the next one is exponentiation. After parentheses, we have exponentiation. So how can we try this out? Let's say 2 exponent 3 then multiplied by 4. Exponentiation comes before multiplication. Okay, exponentiation comes before multiplication. So if I should run this statement, I'm getting 32. The reason is because 2 times 3, 2 raised to the power of 3 is that should be 8, and 8 times 4 is 32. Okay, what if I should do 3 times 4? That is 12. 12 raised to the 2 raised to the power of 12 will give you more than 32, obviously, but Python will execute this one first before coming for the multiplication. Okay, because on the order of execution, exponentiation will come before multiplication. All right, so if I should run this, it will still give me 32. Let me clear my terminal. Then the next one that we have multiplication, division, floor division, and modulus. Okay, so these operators, they have the same precedence and they are evaluated from the left to the right. Okay, so if I have something like result equal to maybe 5 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. So judging by what I said over here, I think I have multiplication, division, we have floor division, and we have modular division. All these ones, they have the same level of precedence, and they are evaluated from the leftmost one to the right. All right, so for example, what I'm having over here, if I should run this, I'm having 7.5. So 3 multiplied by 5 is what? 15. Okay, so 15 divided by 2 will give you 7 and a half, which is 7.5. What if I should take this one first? 3 divided by 2 is what? 3 divided by 2, that should be 1.5. So 1.5 times 5 is still going to be giving you the same 7.5, but the way that Python will execute it is from left to the right. Okay, so it will tackle this one first before going for this other one over here. But all four of them, they are on the same level of precedence. Okay, then the last one is the addition and the subtraction. The addition and the subtraction. The last one is the addition and subtraction. So, like I said, the first one is parentheses, exponentiation, then all the multiplication and the three divisions, they are on the same level, then addition and subtraction, they are on the same level. So if I have something like 10 minus 5 plus 2, 10 minus 5 plus 2, all of them will give you, if you take this one first or you take this one first, it will still give you the same result, which is 7 basically. So whichever one you take, it will still give you 7, because 5 plus 2 is 7. No, what am I saying? So 10 minus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Then 10 minus 7, that will be giving you 3. So like I said, it will take this one first. So 10 minus 5, you are getting what? 5 plus 2, 7. So they are executed from the leftmost one, then down to the right. So that is all for the level of precedence for all the arithmetic operators. Operators with higher precedence are evaluated before operators with lower precedence. However, you can use parentheses to explicitly specify the order of evaluation and override the default precedence. Okay, you can use parentheses to find your way around this. How can you do that? You can do something like, let's use this example: 2 plus 3 multiplied by 4. Okay, so originally I'm going to be having 3 times 4, 12. 12 plus 2, 14. Okay, you see I'm having 14 here, but if I want to bypass this and override the default, I can just wrap the whole of this inside a parenthesis. So you can see me wrapping it inside a parenthesis. Now I'm having 2 plus 3, which is 5. Then 5 multiplied by 4 will be giving me 20. Okay, so you can see the way I used the parenthesis to override the default order of execution. So that is how you can override the default basically. Understanding the process of arithmetic operators is very essential for writing correct and predictable expressions in Python, as it helps ensure that mathematical operations are performed in the intended order. Okay, so thank you very much. That will be the end of this tutorial. Don't forget to like the video. If you have any comments, please, we would love to hear them. And subscribe to the YouTube channel. Okay, so thank you very much. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.